What's up, all my service contractors, my painters, my window cleaners, my pressure washers, my landscapers? What's happening? I'm visiting a project that I did last year. This is the Hilton in downtown Disney. This is a ginormous project. We did it actually last year, and this is the biggest, probably the biggest project in all of Disneyland District in California. And so this is our contract. We're getting an opportunity to do it again. And so, like, I like to be honest though, I did it last year and I fell short on time and I was not able to complete it. But that's okay, because I got another swing at it. I walked in the office, I put my tail between my legs, and I told him, I'm sorry, man, I let you down, and all I want is another opportunity so I can make it right. And so he gave me that opportunity, and we're gonna be doing it coming into the new year. And so one thing I could say about large commercial contracts is that they could be challenging at times, but this is biting off something huge, okay? If you don't wanna bite off something too big, you don't have to. Most of the projects that you're gonna get linked up with in the beginning are going to be decent sized projects that you can handle and you should be able to complete. Your equipment should be more than fine to be able to do the project. I mean, this thing is a 13-story beast, okay? It's got 3-4 of these courtyards. Every single inch of it is made out of glass. There's 3 of these towers right here, and there's 1,500 units. Now, I don't recommend you biting off something like this when you first get started, but that's okay. There's so many other projects out there that you can get started. And you know what? As a matter of fact, since I have you here right now, the first project that I had ever done with large commercial contracts is actually this one right here. I don't know if you can get a quick view of it, but it's that one right there. Okay, and that's like a 9-story building, and that was the first large commercial contract that I did. I think I did it for like $4,900. Changed my whole perspective and my whole life, man. It was pretty incredible. And so I went from $4,900 projects, from $200 projects to $4,900 projects. It changed everything. And then soon after that, within 6 months, I was doing projects like this that was paying me over 30K, which was pretty awesome, man. And so I'm not saying any of this to brag. I'm saying this because you can change your life the way I changed mine. You just got to know how this works. You got to know the system. You got to know, how do you get in contact with these people? Who are you getting in contact with? How do you do the project? How do you price the project? How does that look like? Like, what is that whole system look like? What is the customer's journey from inception that they meet you? It's a cold traffic person. This person has no idea who you are, and now they're doing business with you and they're writing contracts with you for upwards from $5,000 to $30,000, okay? So it's just a system, man. And I know it sounds complicated, and I know it's like, oh man, how am I ever gonna do that? Like, I'm no one special. Well, let me tell you something, man. I was nobody special. I was nobody special when I was doing these projects, man. I was doing little $200 properties, and then I went from doing $200 properties to $4,900 properties to 30 to hundreds and blah, 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 so on and so forth. And so you can do this, man. It's just all in your head. You have to overcome that self-limiting belief that's telling you that you're not good enough. You don't have the equipment. You're not able to handle it, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you can do this, okay? Anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching this. If you guys want to work with me, that's fine. I can offer you a free video that's going to give you access to myself and a little bit of a training on how to get large commercial contracts. That's Overcomer, www.overcomervip.com/free. Okay, it's a free video that I want to give to you. Okay, again, that's www.overcomervip.com/free. Okay, click it or type it in. I want to give you a free training video on how I get in large commercial contracts, the idea of commercial contracts, why they work, and why it can change your life. And yeah, check it out, man. Anyways, make sure you hit subscribe, smash the like button, turn your notifications on. I got more content coming your way. Love you guys, all my service contractors. Keep going, keep hustling, keep grinding.